Hi, and welcome to the Stampin' Shack. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Joy Fold card very similar to this one. It's easy. Sometimes people are afraid of Joy Fold cards because they look like they're complicated, but in actuality you can cut the paper and make the folds in just a matter of minutes. The first thing I'm going to do is to make the large part of the card. And to do this, I'm going to use a 4 1/4 by 8 1/2 piece of cardstock. I'm simply going to score that at 5 1/2. To do this, I'm using an ordinary paper cutter that you can get from Stampin' Up. The thing which is different is that I am using a scoring blade in it. Now what I'm going to do is position my paper into the cutter. I'm going to put the left edge of my paper at the 5 1/2 mark, okay, just like this. Then I'm going to score. Remove it. I'm ready then to make my fold, and there we have the card base. The next thing that I'm going to do is to take a 3 by 8 piece of paper. We're going to score this at 4 in order to make the flap that goes on top. Now once again, I'm going to slide it into my paper cutter. I'm going to line up the left edge at the 4-inch mark and then simply score. Remove and fold. The next thing that you would need to do would be to put these together. Of course, what you would do is you would embellish it with your favorite designer paper. You would select your sentiments that you wanted to use, and then you're ready to now piece them together. To do this, take your large sheet, put the flap on your left-hand side, then take your smaller piece, and the fold of your smaller piece is going to go on your right-hand side. Adhere it down. This goes over, and there you have it. Of course, a lot of times we want to have some type of an embellishment over here in the corner so that we can hold this flap down. One of the easiest things that you can do is simply use a series of circles, such as I did with this card. I punched my circles. I adhered the circles down on one side using dimensionals, and I don't know if you can see that, but I have the dimensionals right there. Of course, here is the completed card. Fold the flap over, fold the other flap over, and it just slides right underneath those circles. So there you have it, quick and easy. Thanks for stopping by.